Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your activity status on Instagram. To do that, it's really simple. We have just to go to Instagram, open the app, and after that, click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, scroll down here until you will find messages and story replies. Click on it. And after that, go and click on show activity status. And if you want to hide it, you have just to deactivate it, like I'm deactivating this. And if you want to get it back or to activate it again, you have to come here to the same place and activate it again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.